In today's tutorial, we're about to dive into one of the most powerful features of Invent ERP, the 360 dashboard. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of your business. From the home page, head over to the main menu. Click on Dashboard. Next, click on Business 360 Summary. And just like that, you're diving straight into the heart of your business. The 360 dashboard gives you a complete, real-time snapshot of all your operations in one powerful view. At the top of the dashboard, you can easily select your desired date range to zoom in on specific summaries from a particular period. Scroll down a bit, and you'll first see an overview of your sales and purchases, along with a sleek graph showcasing your top sold products. Keep scrolling, and you'll get a snapshot of your business's total receivables and total payables, a critical view for managing cash flow and ensuring smooth operations. Finally, you'll see a detailed cash flow chart and financial statements analysis to give you even more insights into your financial health. Want to have these summaries sent directly to your inbox? Absolutely. Just follow these easy steps and stay updated on the go. From the main menu, head to Configuration. Now, navigate to the Settings menu. Once you're in, simply check the option to start receiving your periodic business summaries by email. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. You've just unlocked the full power of the 360 dashboard in Invent ERP. Now you're all set to take charge of your business like a pro.